Hello, stargazers. Welcome to Sleepy Astronomy. I'm so glad you're here with us tonight. Find yourself in a comfortable position. Let your body sink into the softness beneath you. Tonight, we're going on a gentle journey together. A peaceful exploration of something extraordinary. What would happen if the moon simply disappeared? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing only darkness where the moon once glowed. Our faithful companion for 4.5 billion years, suddenly gone. The tides would change, the nights would darken, and Earth itself would begin to wobble through space like a spinning top losing its balance. But don't worry, we're safe here, together, as we drift through this thought experiment, this cosmic what if, letting our minds wander through the stars. Before we begin our journey, if you enjoy these peaceful cosmic explorations, gently tap that subscribe button, join our community of dreamers and stargazers, and let the algorithm know you'd like more of these calming astronomical journeys. Now guess, let's begin. Close your eyes and picture this. It's a quiet evening. You're standing outside, looking up at the full moon, that beautiful, luminous sphere hanging in the velvet darkness. And then, in an instant, it simply vanishes. No explosion, no drama, just gone. At first, you might think a cloud passed by, but the stars around where the moon was, they're still visible, still twinkling. The moon, our moon, has disappeared. For the first few moments, everything seems normal. The world continues turning. Birds settle in their nests. The wind still whispers through the trees, but slowly, very slowly, things begin to change. The first thing you'd notice is the darkness. Without the moon's gentle reflected light, nights become profoundly dark, especially during what used to be full moon phases. The stars. Oh, the stars would be magnificent. Without the moon's glow washing out the sky, you'd see thousands, tens of thousands more stars. The Milky Way would stretch across the heavens like a river of light, ancient and eternal. But this darkness, this deep, velvety darkness, would change everything. Animals that hunt by moonlight would struggle. Nocturnal creatures would need to adapt, to rely more on their other senses. Sea turtles, who navigate by moonlight to return to their nesting beaches, would become disoriented. And humans, we would lose something precious. That silvery light that has inspired poets and lovers and dreamers for countless generations. But the darkness is just the beginning. The moon, you see, has been pulling on Earth's oceans for billions of years, creating the tides, the rhythmic rise and fall that breathes life into coastal ecosystems. Without the moon's gravitational embrace, the tides would shrink dramatically. The sun would still create tides, but they would be only about 1/3 as strong. Imagine standing on a beach, watching the water barely move, just gentle ripples, where once there were powerful waves, tidal pools, those magical ecosystems teeming with starfish and anemones would largely disappear. Countless species, perfectly adapted to the rhythm of the tides, would struggle to survive. The mixing of ocean waters, which helps distribute nutrients and regulate temperature, would slow down. And the energy we've begun to harness from tidal power plants would fade away, like a dream dissolving at dawn. The oceans themselves would slowly redistribute, moving away from the equator toward the poles. It would take time, years, decades, but eventually the shape of our seas would transform. Now, let's drift deeper into our story. The moon does something else, something invisible but crucial. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Right now, Earth tilts at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt gives us our seasons, our reliable cycle of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The moon, like a patient guardian, keeps this tilt steady. But without the moon, Earth would begin to wobble, slowly at first, almost imperceptibly, like a spinning top beginning to lose momentum. Over thousands, tens of thousands of years, Earth's tilt could vary wildly, from nearly 0 degrees cut to perhaps 45 degrees or more. Imagine what this would mean. With a very small tilt, there would be almost no seasons. The equator would bake under eternal summer, while the poles remained frozen in perpetual winter. With a very large tilt, the seasons would become extreme. Summers scorching, winters brutally cold. The climate zones we know, the places where forests grow, where grasslands flourish, where animals have adapted over millions of years. All of this would change and change and change again. Life would need to adapt or migrate or perish. It would be a world of constant climate instability, never settling, never finding equilibrium. Here's something beautiful and strange. The moon is slowly, gradually, stealing Earth's rotational energy. It's been doing this for billions of years, pulling on our oceans, creating friction, slowing Earth's spin. About 4 billion years ago, when Earth was young and the moon was closer, a day lasted only about 6 hours. The moon has been slowly, patiently, making our days longer. Without the moon, this process stops. Earth's rotation would still slow, but much, much more gradually, from other factors like solar winds and the sun's gravitational pull. Days would remain close to 24 hours for millions of years to come. Time, in a sense, would freeze. No more would the moon's gentle pull stretch our days, second by second, century by century. But perhaps the deepest loss would be something less tangible. The moon has been humanity's companion since the very beginning. We've gazed at it in wonder, told stories about it, used it to mark time and seasons, lunar calendars, lunar eclipses, the romantic glow of moonlight on water. The moon has inspired countless works of art, music, poetry, and dreams. Children would grow up never seeing that silver disk in the sky, never understanding why their ancestors spoke of the man in the moon, or why werewolves howled at the full moon in old stories. We would lose a piece of our shared human heritage, our connection to the cosmos and to each other. If this journey through the cosmos has brought you peace, if these thoughts of distant stars and vanished moons have helped you drift toward sleep, consider leaving a like and subscribing to Sleepy Astronomy. One peaceful stargazer at a time. We're building a community, dreamers. But here's the wonderful truth, the comforting reality you can hold as you drift to sleep. The moon is still there, right now, at this very moment. It's orbiting Earth, just as it has for billions of years. It will rise tomorrow, and the day after, and for billions of years to come. Its light will continue to grace our nights. Its gravity will continue to guide our tides, and its presence will continue to stabilize our world. You are safe. The moon is there, watching over our little blue planet as you drift into peaceful sleep. Thank you for joining us tonight on Sleepy Astronomy. Sweet dreams.